Hey everyone, welcome back. Want to log out and log back in safely without losing app settings? Here's how. First of all, open the Truist mobile app and then go to your settings. After you head over to the settings, you're going to confirm you want to log out. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find the Truist app and then swipe it up. Then reopen it. Enter your Enter your username, your password, and then complete any multi-factor authentication if you have enabled it. After that, you will have to check that your account, dashboard, and preferences are intact. Logging out safely keeps your account secure while preserving your app settings. So make sure to log out safely, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.